Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing Snapchat sound is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. The first step is check the update of Snapchat. For this, go to the Play Store and search here Snapchat and check if any update is available, then update it and check the problem. If it is persists, then next is long press on the Snapchat and click on the app info and then go to the permissions and check all the permissions is allowed. If click on the microphone, if it is not allowed, then allow it first and check the problem. If it is persists, then next is force stop the app and close the tab and close then all the tab and again open the Snapchat and check the problem. If it persists, then again long press on the Snapchat and click on the app info and then go to storage and cache, then clear cache once and again log in Snapchat and check the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.